Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome to another video, and welcome to another setting. I am in a hotel room, I'm on vacation. This was not a planned video, but I have such an exciting purchase to show you guys, so I just wanted to sit down and film this video. So without further ado, we're going to jump right into it. I'm going to tell you just a little bit about my purchases, like why I got what I got. It was kind of unplanned purchase, at least one of the items. I have two items to show you and they're both like equally exciting. They're just very different. When I was packing for this trip and organizing and just like coming up with the outfits, I figured that I am missing a couple of like things in my closet. So the thing I had in mind was a mini evening bag, something really small that is just like enough for necessities when I go out for dinners. Pretty much anytime when I travel at night, I don't like bringing huge bags. I feel like in the summer it's just like so hot and humid, and when you have like a big bag, it's just like an additional burden. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I really like tiny bags for the summer, so that was kind of like the direction. And I wanted something very neutral in some like beige, pinky, white color, something that would go with a lot of outfits, because also I am not a fan of like overpacking. Even though I love fashion and I love playing around with outfits, I just love to pack very minimal. So I love to have just a few accessories that go with a lot of different outfits when I'm on vacation. So that was like the objective of my shopping day, and unfortunately, I was really underwhelmed with everything that I've seen in person. Sometimes you see bags like on Instagram, on other people, on pictures, or while you're browsing online, but when you see them in person and you try them on, it's a very different experience. So if you have the opportunity to go to the boutique and try on a bag, I would always suggest it, because it just changes the perspective a lot. I went shopping the last day because, as usual, I'm a procrastinator and I left everything for the last day. Of course, I was really unlucky. Pretty much everything was sold out, so it was quite a discouraging trip to the shopping mall, especially because I don't remember when was the last time I went to like physical shops and just like browsed around, and it was really like underwhelming. I felt like so bad because I waited for the last minute and I could have had such a huge variety of choice online if only I acted upon it quicker, sooner. So I was like, you know what, let's just get out of here, maybe go around, like go to some actual stores, into some of the flagship stores, and maybe I'll get more inspired and find more choice. So I almost like gave up, and we went out, we went to a couple of other stores to get some random bits. I was already like discouraged, I didn't want to even go into any of other boutiques, but we just crossed the street in front of the Louis Vuitton flagship store. So I was like, okay, let's just go in, take a look, but I was not really hoping for like finding anything. And instead of one bag, I went out of the store with two bags nonetheless, and I'm also super curious to hear what you guys think about them. So I have to apologize that this is not going to be like a proper nice unboxing, because obviously I brought these with me on the trip. I had to open the boxes and I had to figure out how I'm going to transport them, and initially I wanted to bring them in their boxes and everything, but then I figured like I just don't have that much space. The smaller one, I brought the box just to have one box to show you, and then the other one is in the desk bag. And I think I'm going to start with this one, which is the smaller one, which is the mini bag, and it's the bag that I was actually looking for. The other one was definitely not a planned purchase whatsoever, but I'm so excited about that one. I have all of the information here in front of me. I wanted to give you guys the correct names, the color, and everything. So the bag, well, first let's unpack and then I'll tell you everything. So the bag of course comes with a box. You can choose to get the box or not. I always like getting them because you never know if you want to sell your bags, like it's nice to have a box. So the bag in question is the Pochette Mylockme chain, and this is how it looks like on the side from the back, and this is the bottom. I'm going to show you also inside so you can see up close It has this beautiful pink lining. I love this Louis Vuitton pink. It has a little pocket here in the front, which is quite big. It has a lot of room. Because it is a leather handbag, it's really soft, so it's really like stretchy, and it feels already like you can fit a lot of items inside. Then over here it has one big opening with another pocket, which is super nice. I love how they did this little pocket. It actually has slots for the cards, if you can tell. So you have like credit card slots, and then like you can put in some actual like money in here, or coins, whatever you want to bring. There's also another pocket over here with a little zipper, and this one is quite big as well. You can also keep like money or just like some smaller items and bits that you want to like keep safe in here. And then you have the middle compartment, as I mentioned earlier, which is quite roomy. I had my camera with me. I brought my vlogging camera, which is my Canon G7X Mark II, and I had to try and see if it fits inside, because I know when I'm traveling I usually like to bring my camera with me. I don't do that many vlogs. I should vlog more, I know, but I usually like to have my camera just in case if I feel inspired. So it fits inside. Unfortunately, if I put my camera inside, I don't like squeezing in my phone as well, although I tried, and it can fit in the back pocket. Yeah, also on the back there is another pocket over here, so it's really like large and roomy. It's quite deep. Mine is iPhone 11 Pro, I think. Well, it doesn't really matter, it's just like the size is not the max one, and it actually fits inside here. The only thing is that it fits much nicer without the case. With the case it becomes very like bulky. You can see it kind of distorts the shape of the bag. I don't really like that. I don't like to, you know, overstuff my bags. I feel like it ruins their shape. So if I have to put both like the camera and the phone inside a bag, I would probably get rid of the case for that evening, which is not a big deal. Like you can just take more care about the phone and bring it without the case. The color is pretty much what sold me with this bag. I was looking into some YSL bags. I was looking into Lulu, or whatever it was named, the camera bag. I don't know what's the actual name. I'm going to pop the pictures somewhere on the screen so you can see what I'm talking about. But there was just something about the colors of those YSLs, like these type of colors similar to this one. There was just something with the colors that was just not sitting right with me, like with the combination of the hardware and the colors. I don't know, I just didn't find the perfect one, and I kept looking until I saw this one. This one goes so well with my Valentino Rockstud sandals, which I pretty much wear all the time when I'm on vacation. They're so easy to style. They go with any outfits. And now I have also a bag that I can just throw on when I don't have time to just think about like a super fun and interesting outfit. I'm not saying that these are not interesting items, but they're like a lot more neutral and simple. I just grabbed these to show you how well they go together. It's very, very similar color. It has quite similar like undertone, and I just think they go very well together. Sometimes it happens when you already have like one item which is quite neutral, it's hard to pair it with another neutral item. I think these go together pretty well, so I'm super happy about that. Then when it comes to the closure, it has a mini like lock me type of a closure. So it has like a small little knob that you just turn, and that way you like close it or open it. And then you have just this little cute flap over here. It comes with a chain as a strap. So it has one of those long chains that you can wear multiple ways. Am I a fan of the length of the chain? Not really, but that is something that I find with 99% of like chain bags. It's not the fault of brands. I know it's really hard to make like a universal chain that fits everyone. People vary in heights and sizes and everything. So this is just something very personal to everyone. I am 5'7" or 170 centimeters, and this one sits, well, let me show you. you. I don't know how much you can see. I'm just kneeling here on the bed, very unprofessional. This is where it sits on me. For me personally, I think this is a nice length. It is not like the super trendy length right now, because currently I feel like this is more of a trend, like when it comes to crossbody bags, to sit like quite high up on the waist. And then you can also wear it on one shoulder. This is more like for evenings when you have like a nice dress and you just want to wear it on the shoulder. Of course, you can always double the chain, hold the bag like so. You put the chain in front, then you twist it over like this, then you close it, and there you go. You have a lot like shorter chain. You can wear it more like so on the shoulder. It's a lot shorter. Let's see if you can wear it crossbody like that. Yeah, you can. And then you get this like super like short. This is quite like trendy. I think if you have a sporty outfit and you just want to toss this over on the airport or something with all your like essential things like documents and stuff, this is not a bad look, because it's very like close to your body and like super easy to reach and protect if you need to. But yeah, I wouldn't wear it personally like this. If I double it, I would probably wear it on the shoulder like so. Another thing I love about this bag is that it's not really like popular or out there everywhere, so it feels a little bit more unique. I also like that it has quite like structured shape to it, so it's going to last a lot longer. I feel like bags that are this structured hold their value, their shape, and just the looks for a lot longer. And the leather is really nice and durable. It is not smooth, it's very grainy leather, but it's not like super grainy that becomes casual, so it's still quite an elegant bag even though it's grainy. If you're looking for an evening mini bag that is neutral, goes with a lot of different outfits and fits a lot, then I would definitely recommend you check this one out. And now the second item, the second bag that I got is so exciting. I'm not going to drag this longer. I'm just immediately going to show you. I'm so sad that I couldn't like bring the box and everything, but it is rather big bag and a big box, so this is what I'll have to do right now. So the bag in question, oh my god, it is so pretty. It is the Speedy Bandoulière 25 limited edition print leather handbag. How pretty is this one? You guys, I am just in love with this print, with this collection. As soon as I saw it, I was like, oh my god, what is that on your shelf? I had to take a look, I had to check it out. The colors, the hand painted enlarged monogram, everything about this bag just spoke to me. I don't remember if I ever mentioned, but Speedy was definitely one of those bags that was like bringing a lot of memories. It is one of the classic Louis Vuitton designs. If you don't know the history of the bag, you can check it out. It's one of the iconic bags, and I love this bag since I was like a teenager. I think it was really popular. It was definitely something that teenage me would be like so excited about. So even though it's not really like the bag of the moment, I think it is such a classic design, and I knew I wanted to add one to my collection. I always thought that the first one is going to be mini Speedy. I didn't know I will get 25 first, but when I saw this beauty, you guys, I just had to go for it. It was calling my name. So this bag is actually part of their capsule collection for fall winter 2021. The collection is called Wild at Heart. The hand painted logo is inspired by the early works, early sketches from the house from 1924. So it has a lot of like vintage inspiration behind it, besides being like a classic handbag model from the house. It is the bandoulière style, so it has the attachable shoulder strap, which I'm going to show you in a second. You probably can't really tell, but inside it just has one big opening as pretty much any Speedy, and then it also has a little pocket with a zipper on one side, and it has a canvas lining inside. Again, it's really hard to show it, but it is kind of like little leopard print or something. I don't know, I can't really tell what is the motive, but it's really like a cute dark simple lining inside. And then you get the shoulder strap. The shoulder strap is the same like cream white color as the base of the bag, and this is how it looks with the strap attached, so you can wear it like on the shoulder or crossbody, especially when you're traveling. I think this is very convenient. I think that's why they added the shoulder strap, the bandolier option, because that was not the original style. But I feel like people just noticed that it would really benefit having a shoulder strap, especially when you're like on the go. I personally don't think I will be wearing the shoulder strap a lot. I love the look of Speedy as a handheld bag, maybe on the crook of your arm if you need to. Handles are quite roomy. I have quite like small wrists, but as you can see, there is a lot of room. Like my hand slides in and out super easy, so I feel like everyone can wear this on the crook of their arm if they need to, and like just like this on the wrist. So that's always like really nice. I don't like sometimes when these handles are so small that you just cannot do anything with them besides carrying like this. So yeah, it's a very versatile bag. It is huge when it comes to space. I don't know how much I should talk about like Speedy, because a lot of you guys know about it, know how like spacious and how it's like structured. Then also in this cute little pouch that came inside, you have your little lock and keys, which is super cute. Another classic part of a Speedy. Now, as I mentioned, this bag is not really like hot bag right now, but because we are going always like back in time and we're always like recreating certain eras, we are finishing pretty much the 90s inspired era, and so I think that we can expect Speedy coming back together with Alma. Those were two bags that were really popular in the 2000s. We can all remember like Paris Hilton, Kim Kardashian from the early days when they were rocking Louis Vuitton big bags. So yeah, I feel like this bag, I mean, first of all, it's a classic, so it never goes out of style, but I feel like it will come back to its like peak popularity again. This is just my prediction, we're gonna see, but yes, I am absolutely happy about this bag. Let me come a little bit closer so you guys can see how pretty these colors are. I don't know how well the camera translates, but they are so pretty. I feel like even though this bag is from the fall winter collection, it actually is quite summery as well because of this very light cream base, and then it has super pretty like tan color, some like pastel light pink, and then also has this like darker kind of like orange brown color as well, which makes it a little bit more fall appropriate. So yeah, it's like a very well-rounded bag that you can pretty much wear all year long. I know I will be wearing this all year long, that's for sure. It is such a statement bag, but it's still like a classic. So yeah, I don't know what else to say. I just absolutely love it. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you guys think? Do you like it? Would you go for it? And yeah, like what do you think of these two purchases? That would be all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to tap that like button. I will try to vlog a little bit more from my trip, so if that sounds interesting, if you want to watch it, make sure to subscribe and also click the notification bell icon so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. Follow me on Instagram if you don't follow me over there. I love getting to know you guys and talking to you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.